I, Sunirudra, welcome you all in this news bulletin of Saint Soldier Times. We bring you news and views from sports, education, health and culture. Coming to sports, 48 groundsmen will be rewarded 1 lakh rupees each by the Mumbai Cricket Association for their efforts during the Indian Premier League. The decision on the proposal is likely to get a green signal in MCA Apex Council's meeting. The three venues, MCA Wankhede Stadium, MCA BKC Ground and DY Patil Stadium, has been home for 10 IPL teams for 2 months, while the two stadiums, Wankhede and DY Patil, hosted IPL league games. The MCA BKC was a practice ground for 4 teams on a daily basis. MCA felt that the hard work done by the groundsmen throughout the summer needed a special reward. Many groundsmen worked overnight shifts to prepare practice and match pitches. The MCA was pleased that there was not a single complaint about pitches despite matches being played daily in the grueling April-May heat. During the tournament, the MCA had tied up with a private company, Cadbury, which enabled the groundsmen of Wankhede Stadium to stay in a 5-star hotel. The company took care of the lodging and travelling on match days. As per the groundsmen at Mumbai's Wankhede Stadium, in the past IPL seasons, they would spend the nights in a small room at the stadium itself, where mosquitoes made sleep difficult. Coming to education, VC students of Draupadi Murmu's alma mater Rama Devi University say, proud moment for us. Media persons visited Rama Devi's Women's University in Bhubaneswar today and had a chat with Vice Chancellor and students there about NDA's presidential candidate Draupadi Murmu, who completed her graduation from this university. VC Professor Aparajita Chaudhary, who was also Murmu's batchmate, was excited and said, "It's a proud moment for all of us." Students said that the new presidential candidate was an inspiration to them. VC told that it was a wonderful news for all the Ramadevi University family, and she was a student here and completed her graduation from here in the 90s. She said, "We are indeed proud of her. Moreover, she was my batchmate while I was studying at Cuttack's Saibala Women's College." She explained that in 2019, after the college became a university, in the very first convocation, Draupadi Murmu was conferred with an honorary degree from the varsity. Murmu is from a tribal family residing in Mayurbhanj, which is quite far from Odisha's capital city of Bhubaneswar. Coming to health, yoga could aid kidney health, says nephrologist. In Sanskrit, yoga means to unite and describes a way to live a healthy life. Yoga was developed as a spiritual practice thousands of years ago. Today, most Westerners do yoga for exercise or to reduce stress. Let's understand the physical and mental health benefits that yoga has to offer for people of all ages. Whether you are going through an illness or living with a chronic kidney condition, yoga could be one of the lifestyle modification tools that aids other interventions. The kidney is a remarkably intricate organ that maintains the chemical balance by a network of complex sensing and regulating systems. They ensure water, salt and acidity levels are maintained precisely within a narrow range and aid cellular functions of all organs. Kidneys play a major role in purifying the blood from filtering out toxins from it. They secrete important hormones to help our body produce blood and maintain blood pressure. Yoga is composed of mixed asanas, breathing exercises, and relaxation meditation techniques. It has shown equivalent benefit to mild or moderate exercises. The benefits are cornered around fitness, flexibility, balance and mobility, and lastly, stress and anxiety. The fact that yoga requires no expensive equipment makes it an inexpensive option and accessible to all. Coming to culture, Haridwar mural project is transforming the city with colors. Haridwar is one of the oldest living cities of the world, nestled around the sacred river Ganga. Every day, countless devotees come to this spiritual city to take a holy dip and offer prayers to river Ganga. The Haridwar mural project started with the aim of exploring unconventional canvases for public art, like the iconic clock tower in Har Ki Pauri, Haridwar. Mozarto, in association with Namami Ganga, has taken up the redevelopment of iconic ghats like Har Ki Pauri and Chandi Ghat in Haridwar through mural arts. The people of Haridwar were very much impressed and excited about the paintings, as they had not seen anything like that before. They are also happy about the fact that Haridwar will now also be famous because of these paintings, along with its culture and traditions. Artists from across the world gather in the land of the Kumbh on a mission to transform the city with colors. This is all in the news bulletin today. Stay connected with Saint Soldier Times on Facebook, YouTube and Instagram.